Today, 7-month-old Tiggy would like you to join him in his first ever venture out into the big wide world. Tiggy was one of a family of 4 cats that we took into foster about 4 months ago. But he's had some health problems and nobody wanted to adopt him, so we've decided to keep him. He's fully vaccinated now and in good health, thank goodness. And a couple of weeks ago, we had him neutered. And so today is the day when he finally gets to go out. On this first occasion outside, we're going to put him on a harness just to make sure he's all okay. Are you ready, Tiggy? Let's go. Come on, Tiggy, you can do it. Your brother Gandalf's giving you some moral support there, although I think he's more interested in the lead. That's the way. Come on, everyone's waiting for you. Gandalf definitely thinks that lead's a new toy. That's it, Tiggy. Have a good sniff round. Get your bearings. It's nice out here, isn't it? What's under there? And what's up there? And what's in there? Oh, that was scary. Gandalf's still loving that lead. You seem to have a bit of an entourage there. There's Coco and Mrs. Magoo. Oh, and there's Sooty. That's it. Have a sniff around the barbecue area. Have you found yourself a twig there, Tiggy? Don't let the other cats have it. That's it. See, it's fun out here, isn't it? You're one of the big boys now. Ready to go in now then? Well done. Good boy. Feeling more confident now, Tiggy? Tiggy's had to spend a lot of his time as a young kitten in a cage because of the health problems that he's had. So it's so nice now to be able to see him finally be able to go out with the other cats and have a normal life. Thank you so much for joining us today and watching him experience life outside for the first time. We do hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. We'd love to have you as part of the Casa Madhouse family. Well done, Tiggy. And have a lovely day, everyone.